Thanks for clicking this video. I hope you stay and hope you subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Helps me out a lot. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my November BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is amazing. I really like it. I think it's one of the best, if not the best, subscription boxes out there. It is $25 now, I believe. It used to be $21, but it went up to $25 a month. And you get 4 to 5 full-size products in your box each month. And I'm telling you, these products are really, really good. They're from like Sephora and Ulta and really high-end. Usually the box value is like at least over $100. I think it's guaranteed to be over $100. Cool thing about BoxyCharm now is that if you're signed up with them, you have the opportunity to pick between 2 of the items that you know you are guaranteed to get. So I think that's really, really cool. And yeah, it's a really fun way to build up your collection because it's, it's like your birthday once a month and you get, a present in the mail. $25, I mean, for over $100 value, you can't beat it. So let's dive in, see what we got in this month's BoxyCharm. And if you want to get BoxyCharm yourself, well then, go to their website because I'm not affiliated. Although, BoxyCharm, call me. So, this is a bigger box than usual. You open it up and it says BoxyCharm up there. I like how they did it in red. Very pretty. The first thing that you get is the BoxyCharm card. It's like a little pamphlet that shows you what you get in the box, how much it retails for, and also it has some coupons. So here we got some Dragon Beauty discounts and some more coupons on the back. So this is really informational, and yeah, I like to have it. So let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Okay. Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Yeah, I am so excited to get this. This is a serum there, and I'm really excited because I have really dry skin, so anything that says it's, quench and dew, I'm all about that. So this looks like this. It comes in a blue bottle with a little dropper. It's glass, so very sturdy. This antioxidant dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated and antioxidants. Too many big words in one sentence. Nurturing amino acids and array of soothing botanicals. Uses a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skin and care wardrobe. Never heard of it put that way, but so looks like this. Got the little dropper. You guys, it smells like a spa. Very aromatherapy, like elliptic. So drops out like that. Looks kind of like a lotion. Oh yeah. It's very hydrating. This is gonna be very nice, especially in the winter months coming up. Keep your skin nice and quenched. No more thirsty skin. So again, this is the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench Glow Serum, and this retails for $90. What? $90. That's way more than the box already. Okay, what else? A concealer. I don't think this is part of the box. This is just a little sample. It's by Pretty Vulgar, and it gives you 4 different options of concealer. What I heard, word on the street is that BoxyCharm is going to start doing face products like foundation and concealers. So they want you to select which one works best for you. Although, hello, there's a lot more shades than that, like shades of people and, but anyways, and then you're supposed to get online and go to your account and tell them which one best suit you. So they have a better idea on which one to send you when they do start sending face products. So cool. Try that out. Next product is, ooh, I'm so excited. I love getting brushes. This is a BoxyCharm Duo. It is 2-piece brush set. This is made by BoxyCharm, so that's pretty cool. I love this little contraption. Oh, that's really nice. I like that a lot. Very cool. Can you put your cell phone in this? You know, like when you're near water? I'm a dork, I know. Ooh, these are so cool. Look at that. It looks kind of like a brush that you paint highlights on. I'm a hairdresser, so that's how I think of it. But that's this one. This is this one. They're very, very dense, very soft. Ooh. I think this would be great for cream contour, cream bronzing, and possibly foundation. Yay! Yay! So, I feel like Jeffree Star. Welcome back to my channel. BoxyCharm. Yay! I love this. Brushes are always fun to get. This retails for $35. So, yay. Next. Next. Okay. Ooh. We always get stuff for the face. I love this. Okay. These are the Starry Eyes, the world's kindest eye mask. Indulgent self-warming eye mask. Warms up in 30 seconds, and you get 2 of them. This is by Pop Brand, and it's a pop mask set of 2, and it retails for $10. So I'm excited to try these. I love skincare, especially because I'm getting a little old. So yeah, I'm down to try any skincare. Next. I'm so excited. Okay, so I seen this, that Just the Colors was in the box this month. And this is a liquid matte lipstick. And I got mine in the shade Nude Mood. Pretty. I've always wanted to try the Just the Colors ever since, like, I started watching Desi and Katie. They rave about Just the Colors. This is beautiful packaging. Oh my. And yeah, let's see. Doesn't really have a smell, but the color is my color. Like, I was a little concerned that I was going to get the reds because I always get reds and I don't even wear reds, but wow, that's a beautiful nudish pink color. Kind of looks like what I'm wearing today, but I swear it's not. So, I'm really excited. This is going right in my purse, and yes, so excited to have this. This is Just the Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it retails for $18. Okay, guys. YouTube problems. But anyways, the last thing in the box is something super, super duper exciting, and I think everybody got this in the box, and this is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Wow, this is really pretty packaging. It's very sleek and travel friendly. And okay, this retails for $35. Ready, guys? I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my God, the mirror. Yes. The mirror is everything. I love it. Oh, I chipped the piece in it. Okay, so these are the gorgeous colors. I love Dominique. She is one of the OGs here on YouTube. I've been watching her since, like, I think, like 2013. She was one of the first people that I discovered. And, yeah, I'm so proud of her. This is gorgeous. This kind of gives me Jeffree Star vibes. And I like it because it's got wearable colors right here. And then it's also got some pops. This pink, oh, hello. And this is gorgeous. I dug my nail in it. But let's do some swatches. Okay. Mattes. This one right here is Zero Gravity. The blue one is Mystic Ice. The orange is Lunar Eclipse. The warm brown is Storm Dust. And the pink is Lucid Dream. These all swatched really nicely, and I love them. Can't wait to play around with that. And for are the shimmers. This one is Eternal Light, Fireball, and Black Matter. Gorgeous. Look at them. So pretty. I love the champagne color. I can't wait to try that out. So, yeah. I'm really excited to own this, and I can't wait to play with it. Good job. And Dominique, I can't wait to check out more of your items. So, yeah, if you want to get involved with BoxyCharm yourself, I highly recommend. I mean, they're really, really, really a good deal. You can't beat it. 4 to 5 full-size products for $25 a month. Great way to build up your collection. You will not regret it. Yeah, so with that being said, I guess that's all that I have to say today. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. And till next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.